Welcome back to another episode on grammar. Today we are going to discuss the past perfect tense. Tenses being the foundation of English grammar, it is important to know how to use it effectively in sentences, in passages, and in your daily communication. Let's start. We use past perfect tense when there are two events presented in the sentence. We use past perfect to indicate which past action happened first so that there is no confusion in the sequence of events. For example, if I say, he had arrived at the venue before I reached. So he had arrived before, I reached later. So it clearly marks which past action happened first. Another example for you all, it had started raining before I reached home. Simple enough, right? Now, past perfect tense can also be used in another case. If a task is completed before a given time, I had finished my dinner by 8 o'clock. I hope you found this helpful. If you like my work, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting grammar snippets. If you have any confusion regarding any specific chapter in grammar, please do write it in the comment section so that we can take it up in our next video. Thank you for watching.